Auto shack where the ledges clack. Fixing cars quick, never cut in slack. Grace on my hands, music bumping in the back. This is the place for the engines crack.
Check the spark plugs, tune up the ignition. Rolling up sleeves, we on a mission. From brakes to the axles, no division. Walk in broken, leave with precision. Auto shack, the place where rides come alive. Free smokies work hard, your code 5. Engine burning like it's got 9 lives. Rolling out the lot, feeling revived. Oil change magic, slick as a magician. Fix that alignment, no more collision. Battery replacing, cool transmission. Smooth as silk, perfect condition. Auto shack, the place where rides come alive. Free smokies work hard, your code 5. Engine burning like it's got 9 lives. Rolling out the lot, feeling revived. Oil change magic, slick as a magician. Fix that alignment, no more collision. Battery replacing, cool transmission. Smooth as silk, perfect condition.
Okay, so this is Bernard from Auto Shack Ghana. As you can see, we are working on Chevy Cruze engine. It has an engine replacement. This is, as you can see, this is the old engine. So this is the old one. So we have a fault concerning the engine. So we are doing replacement for it. So this is the new one that we are starting fixing. They just brought it, so we will fix it and then start it so that everything will be okay, so that you can even come for this vehicle. So anytime that you want to work on your vehicle or an engine apartment or even diagnosis, you can come to Auto Shack. We have a lot of machines that we can use to diagnose your car for you and do your vehicle for you successfully, so that you can even use your car in the success to do it.
Auto shack, the place where rides come alive. Free smokies work hard, your code 5. Engine burning like it's got 9 lives. Rolling out the lot, feeling revived. Oil change magic, slick as a magician. Fix that alignment, no more collision. Battery replacing, cool transmission. Smooth as silk, perfect condition.